Welcome to another video, guys, and today we are going to be sleeping in these sand dunes in the middle on the south coast of England. We're in East Sussex, actually at Camber Sands. Here's Amelia.
Hello.
Here's the sunset. We got some fish and chips, or well, chicken nuggets
and chips.
Chicken nuggets and chips, and some scampi. And I'm excited. It's been quite warm today, but it's going to cool down at night. There's a nice little breeze, and hopefully in the morning we're going to go for a little sunrise swim with the sun, hopefully like rising over the ocean. It's going to be awesome. Also some stargazing later, and see if we can actually sleep on a random beach in England. Hopefully,
we're not meant to sleep on.
Yeah, we're not supposed to be here, but you know, you only live once. Yeah. So enjoy the sunset.
A devotion that brings me down.
Here we go.
That without my love for the ocean, I will be no one.
We have just found our spot that we think we're going to camp out. It's probably quite hard to see. I'll try and put the drone up in the morning and I'll show you now what it looks like where we're sleeping in these dunes. It is here. You kind of see this grassy area. Look at the moon with the reflection on the water, with the sea. It looks amazing.
So good.
We're gonna just sit here for a bit and then we'll set up the beds. I'll show you everything, show you around our little campsite. But this is amazing. The sound of the water is just so nice. Amelia's creating the beds. She's flattening out the sand.
Not very well, but...
Not very well. Can you create some pillows with the sand over here, please?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Assuming like spiky things, get out.
Yep, I don't like spiky things in my bed. So, oh, I've got an itchy bites. They're really itchy. Ah! We've got our sleeping bags here. These are cozy little sleeping bags. This is our little setup. So we've got towels underneath, then we've got these, a deflated mattress which is really thin, and then this little foam like mattress as well. There's still people around, but we'll see if they disappear and see how this night entails. Let's stargaze now.
Okay.
Let's do it.
I don't know how to stop it.
Okay, never stop. I'm blind.
I'm blinded.
So we are now in our sleeping bags. You can't really see anything. We can only see because of the full moon that it's pretty dark. And it's 11:20 and I'm about to go to bed because we're probably going to be woken up about 4 AM because it will start to get bright then. The sunrise is at 5 AM.
But the stars are so nice.
The stars are really nice. We can see quite a few. It probably looks like it's really cold. It's not that cold. We're just sheltering from the mosquito because we don't want the mosquito. Because mosquito itchy. Anyway, I'll see you maybe in the middle of the night or in the morning. We'll see. Good morning. It's actually 16 degrees and it feels so cold. A lot colder than 16 degrees. We've just realised, look how far out the sea is. It's so far. It's probably like a mile away or more. How are you feeling, Amelia?
Brilliant. Lovely.
So we didn't sleep that well. Well, I personally didn't sleep great. But I've slept okay, maybe like 3-4 hours.
I actually slept quite well. I'm just still tired.
She's always tired in the morning. And so this is where we slept. So you got like this towel, you got like these roll mats, and then we put our sleeping bags on top. It's pretty cozy in there. It's pretty cold outside.
Pretty cozy,
but it is nice. Oh, we've got to keep moving to keep warm. Because there's a lot of dew as well, so it's like a lot of stuff is wet. But we're gonna go down there, watch the sunrise, and have a good time. And maybe the sea's so far out, but we'll go for a swim later, which you'll see. So
when it's warmer,
let's go down. Go down to the sand dunes. Let's go.
You're holding my mind in a tight grip. When I walk all over you, and your blood is in the water, and you go straight
Right, so we have just had an amazing sunrise. I mean, the sun is still like beautiful. Look at it all. Look at it all. The sand dunes look amazing. Ah, I feel so good in the sun.
It's so warm, and it's only like 6 a.m.
6 a.m. and I feel warm like this now.
Doesn't feel like England.
It was freezing about an hour ago, but doesn't matter no more. Doesn't matter no more. There's a tractor. What's that doing over there? Coming along the beach. Maybe it's picking up all the rubbish.
Don't litter on the beach.
There you go. Don't litter on the beach. I'm just gonna get some photos now. We've flown the drones, got some awesome shots, which you're of course of sea, and yeah. Oh, what a beautiful day. 6 a.m. Rate your sleep out of 5.
8, but not long enough.
8? You slept that well?
I slept really well.
With an amazing view. Look at that. Bit of a time jump, but now it is, what is it, 8:30? And we've been to the supermarket. What have we got?
Some lovely baguettes with ham. Because we were going to get pizza, but the pizza was too cheesy for me. And I'm fussy, but yeah.
We're just going to eat, maybe sit down for a bit, and then we're going in the sea. There's hardly anyone here at the moment, but it is 8:30 a.m. I mean, who comes to the beach at 8:30 a.m? Apparently this family. But anyway, can't wait. It is about 9:30. We've just been like sleeping / sunbathing for about half an hour, 45 minutes. And we've just come in the water and it's absolutely freezing, isn't it?
It's fine once you get adjusted, but like, my stomach.
We're gonna go for a little swim. That's basically the video. We slept on this beach, this beautiful beach, Camber Sands.
It's busier now, but
Much busier than it was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours ago, whenever we were here.
well, it's just us.
And it was just us. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. There will be more. Oh, it's cold! More travel videos around the UK, so stay tuned for more England travel videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.